As the battle against COVID 19 continues for a longer period of time, its effect on mental health is becoming more prevalent and evident. It is common for everyone to experience increased levels of distress and anxiety, particularly as a result of social isolation. Many physicians and other frontline healthcare professionals are more vulnerable to negative mental health effects as they strive to balance the duty of caring for patients and at the same time concerned about their own well-being and their families. Apart from healthcare workers, many people who have experienced COVID 19 symptoms are suffering from mental strain because of isolation and fear of spreading it to their family members. Most of the hospitals are incapable in providing counseling and therapy sessions to the healthcare staff as well as COVID patients. During these difficult times, there are two NGOs who aim to provide free telephonic counseling in response to the increasing mental health issues among people due to the COVID 19 pandemic. The first NGO is Samaritans Mumbai. This NGO has been actively working in the field of mental health and striving to support those in need since 1968. It provides emotional support for those who are stressed, depressed, or have suicidal tendencies through free telephonic counseling sessions. You can share your problems and they will actively listen to you without any judgment. You can talk to them over email or on phone, and whatever you share stays confidential. These are the helpline numbers where you can contact them between 5 pm to 8 pm daily. This is the email ID. There are two languages, English and Hindi. That is, if you are comfortable in talking Hindi, it's completely okay. And if you are comfortable in talking English, that is also fine. Charges are absolutely free. This is the official website of this NGO. Also, I have mentioned all these details in the description box. Please go through it once. The second NGO is Asra NGO. This is a crisis intervention center for the lonely, distressed and suicidal people. Asra NGO aims to help prevent and manage mental illness by providing voluntary, professional and essentially confidential care and support to the depressed people during this pandemic. They have a 24/7 helpline where you can get in touch with them and share your thoughts and emotions. This is the official email ID of Asra NGO. I have mentioned these details in the description box. So friends, anyone from anywhere in India can get their problems addressed just through a call which is free of charge. Please share this video with your friends and family members as it might help someone who needs counseling services. These NGOs are providing free mental health services to people who are experiencing stress, anxiety, fear, or any kind of emotional discomfort during this pandemic. Thanks for watching my video.